Breathe better and sleep deeper with the Levoit Classic 160 Top Fill Humidifier. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description to get your Levoit Top Fill Humidifier on Amazon today and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home.
Welcome back to CryptoPulse News. I'm your host. Binance's big day has turned into a major setback as the U.S. Supreme Court has declined to hear its appeal in a high-stakes crypto lawsuit. The lawsuit, filed in 2020 by a group of Binance investors, claims that the exchange failed to warn them about risks associated with several tokens, including ELF, EOS, and FUN, which they purchased back in 2017. Investors are seeking compensation for losses, interest, and legal fees. But Binance has been adamant that it shouldn't be subject to US securities laws as it's not a US-based company. The case was initially dismissed by a U.S. district court in March 2022, with a judge siding with Binance on the grounds that US securities laws didn't apply because the transactions were deemed extraterritorial and some claims were filed too late. However, an appeals court later overturned this decision, finding sufficient evidence that the transactions were indeed domestic-based, considering server location and investor activities within the U.S. According to public documents shared by Bloomberg Law, this ruling was a major blow to Binance's attempts to avoid accountability. Following the decision, Binance and its former CEO Changpeng Zhao petitioned the Supreme Court, arguing that the Second Circuit misapplied the 2010 Morrison v. National Australia Bank decision by allowing liability across multiple stages of securities transactions and countries. In fact, Binance CEO Richard Teng has maintained that the company hasn't even determined its headquarters location, claiming it should not be subject to US securities laws. The Supreme Court's latest decision means that investors can now move forward with their case. If the court rules in favor of the investors, Binance could be required to pay damages or restitution to those who purchased the tokens. This is a major development in the ongoing saga of crypto regulation and accountability. CryptoPulse News will continue to follow this story as it unfolds.